Hi, I am going to show you now my Christmas dream journal I have made during this week. But first I want to warn you that I have honestly sit here like 10 minutes and stared at the journal and the screen and thought, well, I don't remember how to do these flip through videos, what I'm supposed to say, and then I decided to just go on as I usually do. Maybe I'm a bit tired, so that affects my brain functioning. So let's just start and please bear with me today while watching this, and I hope you will get inspired despite of my really not that professional talking. This journal has two parts. It's the actual journal inside, and then the covers I have made especially for this journal, which means that I made first the journal and then the covers just the size to fit the journal itself. This album covers are made of sturdy cardboard and some Tim Holtz papers and burlaps and so on, and then I have painted them with vinegar paints and waxes and ice pastes and so on, and decorated them with my usual style and some 49 and market flowers. And I must say I really enjoyed doing it. And then I distressed the inside of the covers too. And please understand that the light here in Finland at November is non-existent and absolute nightmare for filming any videos, so you hopefully see something of the journal. Now this tiny little journal is made of Paper Garden's Christmas journal that is available in the web shop using the exact journal, and then I used the Paper Garden's Christmas printables that are sold there, that, if I can confess, I have designed myself. But I wanted to test they really actually work in real life, not only in my imagination. So I tested them and find them quite cute. So here we go and start. It's the most wonderful time of the year, says the cover. Then, but you see, all the embellishments aren't available in the shop. It's the journal only and the print. So I have used a lot of my laces and silks and so on from my private collection here, and embossing powders and distress glitters and so on. It was the night before Christmas, and here it starts. I wanted pages to be Christmassy, and I find using bright and dark colors really challenging, so there is this learning process for me to hear how to use darker tones like usually there are in Christmas. Be your own kind of Christmas rose. And then silks and stuff, and lots of Tim Holtz die cuts and so on. I used some classic memo cards. They are just perfect color for Christmas. The green and reds. Oh, night divine. These background papers that are here and there, they are actually from a Finnish book. Inside covers, the designs are from book covers from dating from maybe 1860 to 80. So they are really original, lovely ones. And then I tried to put nooks and folders and envelopes and pockets here and there to store Christmas treasures and memories. Christmas time is so lovely because it's kind of holds inside it so much hope and joy and memories, and it makes one's heart burst with joy and wishes that this year would be as magical as the ones before. And I wanted this journal to feel like it, like the hope for the magical feeling of Christmas when one was a child and thought the world's most wonderful time is actually the Christmas time. Christmas, my child, is love in action. It's the most wonderful time of the year. I have put layers and layers and layers and layers and used highlight techniques you can see on my previous tutorial videos if you are interested in testing them. They are really easy to create when you just go for it. Believe. This is a Tim Holtz flashcard I just turned into a bag. Out of silence, music, out of the darkness, light, out of uncertainty, promise, hope was born that night. This is a beautiful poem. I cut the author out of this, and sorry, but I forgot who has written it, but it's really beautiful. This is maybe my favorite spread on the whole journal. It's peaceful and more my usual style of colored chosen colors. And then the last page, and to all good night. Merry everything, happy always, and may the miracle of Christmas fill your heart with joy. And that's what Christmas wishes is all about in the end, actually, isn't it? Isn't it so? I have glued some laces and ribbons to the cover to make it more fitting for the journal cover, the album cover. And here are the coffee dyed papers I have then used Tim Holtz stencils and then painted them over, and then used another stencils, and it was really fun. Not at all what I was thinking I was doing, but that's the fun part usually for my crafting, that it never looks like I imagine it would look, but it's more fun actually that way, to be happy of the outcome, of the surprising outcome. So here it was, my first and probably the only Christmas journal of this year, and I hope you enjoyed watching and got inspired by it. And maybe if you are interested, there are those printables available in the Paper Garden shop if you want to test your own Christmas dreams too. And thank you so much for watching, and I wish you inspiring and beautiful and absolutely wonderful Christmas time this year. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.